Hey everyone, hope you are doing great. It's Min Lucas and today I'm going to show you how to delete a Meta Business Manager account from your Facebook profile. If you are planning to move to a new business manager and you no longer need this account, you can simply follow this step-by-step process to remove your business manager. Let's not waste any of your time and I'll guide you through the entire process. So, as you can see, I am already on my business manager. Now, you have to go to settings and then you have to click on business portfolio info and then you have to click here, permanently delete business, and after that you have to click on delete portfolio over here. You can also cancel the process within 24 hours by going to the business portfolio info again, and you can select that you don't want to delete your business and your business manager will remain safe. So now I will be clicking on delete portfolio. There you go. Now you have to click on back to Facebook and your business manager will not here anymore. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your Meta Business Manager account. It's as simple as that. If you have any trouble or need any further assistance, don't hesitate to drop a comment and we will be happy to help you out. Also, if you are interested in managing your assets securely or need a new business manager account, we offer high limit business managers and other services tailored just for you. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.